Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to PayPal, step by step. We will cover the straightforward process of linking these two platforms for your cryptocurrency transactions. You will learn how to easily purchase Ethereum using your PayPal balance, and also how to convert your crypto back into fiat currency directly to your PayPal account. This guide aims to make your Web3 experience smoother and more accessible, ensuring you understand each step for secure and efficient use. To buy Ethereum with PayPal, first, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the Buy button. Next, select your region. This feature is primarily available for United States users, excluding Hawaii. Then choose PayPal as your payment method. You can use your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to purchase, sign into your PayPal account, and confirm the transaction. It's a direct and convenient way to acquire Ethereum. Selling your crypto and receiving funds via PayPal is also straightforward. Access the Sell feature, typically found in your MetaMask portfolio. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, such as Ethereum. Then, choose PayPal as your cash-out destination. MetaMask will present you with real-time quotes from various providers. Select the best option, confirm the details, and complete the transaction. Your funds will then be transferred to your PayPal balance, usually within a few business days. When connecting MetaMask to PayPal, remember a few key points. This integration is mainly for users in the United States, with some state exclusions. Currently, only Ethereum can be directly purchased using PayPal within MetaMask. Always double-check all transaction details, including any fees, before confirming. Security is paramount. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on both your MetaMask and PayPal accounts to protect your digital assets and personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.